Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a box submarine. For this we'll need a box, a small paper cup, paper straw pieces, coloured card, stickers and paint. Turn the paper cup upside down and ask a grown-up to help you make a hole in the bottom with a pencil. And now we can stick this to the top of a box.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
Once that's dried, we can paint everything bright yellow.
I love, love, love painting! Hey, 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 hey!
While that dries, we need some red card. Let's draw around a paper cup to make a circle. On dark blue card, draw a rectangle with a line through the middle. On some blue card, draw a wiggly line across the top edge. This will be the waterline above our submarine.
Now for some monster cutting magic.
Remember, ask a grown-up for help when you're using scissors.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Now take a piece of the paper straw and bend it. This will be our submarine's periscope. We can push this into the hole in the cup that we made earlier. Take the other piece of straw, give it a few folds, and glue it to the end of the box like this.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick!
Now we can stick our submarine to the wiggly blue card. Make sure the periscope sticks up above the waterline. We need to glue on the red circle and the blue strips of card. And finally add stickers for details. There we have it, one brilliant box submarine all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!